नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अनुजा चौहान, शासकीय डॉक्टर वामन वसुदेव पटणकर, कन्या स्नातकोत्तर महाविद्यालय दुर्ग। आज हम एमएससी 4th सेम का सेकेंड पेपर पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एंड मैकेनिक्स के फर्स्ट यूनिट पर चर्चा करेंगे। नॉन लीनियर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। नॉन लीनियर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म f du ux is equal to 0 where x belongs to u and u is an open subset of r to the power n. R to the power n is an n-dimensional real Euclidean space. F be a function from r to the power n cross r cross u bar, where u bar be an closure of u tends to r is given and u be a function of u bar tends to r is the unknown u is equal to u of x. Let us write f is equal to f of pzx, where f p1 up to pn x, x1 up to xn for p belongs to r to the power n, z belongs to r, x belongs to u. Thus, p is the name of the variable for which we substitute the gradient dux, and x is the variable for which we substitute u of x. We also assume that for f is smooth and set dpf or del f upon del p is equal to fp1 up to fpn, dzx is equal to fz, dxf is equal to fx1 up to fxn. We are concerned with discovering solution u of the PDE f du ux is equal to 0 in u, usually subject of the boundary condition. U is equal to g on gamma, where gamma is some given subset of del u, where del u be an boundary of u and g be a function of gamma tends to r is prescribed. Complete integral. The non-linear first order PDE f du ux is equal to 0. Let us consider a be a subset of r to the power n is an open set. Assume for each parameter a is equal to a1 up to an belongs to a. We have c square. The solution c square be an complex space u is equal to uxa of the PDE1. We use the notation as dau d square xau is equal to metric representation for n cross n plus 1. The definition of complete integral: a c square function u is equal to uxa is called a complete integral in u cross a provided the following conditions: uxa solve the PDE equation 1 for each a belongs to a, and the rank dau d square xau is equal to n. Some examples: Clairaut equation from differential geometry is the PDE x du plus f of du is equal to u, where f be a function from r to the power n to r is given. A complete integral is uxa is equal to ax plus fa. The Eikonel equation from geometric art is the PDE mod of du is equal to 1. A complete integral is ux ab is equal to ax plus b. The Hamilton-Jacobi equation from mechanics is in its simplest form. The PDE ut plus h of du is equal to 0, where h be a function from r to the power n to r to the power n to r. Envelopes. Let u is equal to uxa be a C1 function of x belongs to u, a belongs to a, where u be a subset of r to the power n and a be a subset of r to the power m are open set. Consider the vector equation dau xa is equal to 0. Suppose that we can solve equation first for the parameter a as a C1 function of x, a is equal to phi of x. Thus, dau is equal to x, phi of x is equal to 0. We then call v of x is equal to u x, a की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे तो phi of x the envelope of the function u x dot a belongs to a. Constructions of new solution. Suppose for each a belongs to a, as above that u is equal to u dot a, solve the PDE f du ux is equal to 0. Assume further that envelope v dau x phi of x is equal to 0, v of x is equal to u x phi of x above exists is a C1 function, then we solve equation 1 as well. The envelope V defined above the sometimes called a singular integral of equation 1. We have is proof. We have v of x is equal to u x phi of x. So far I is equal to 1 up to n. So v xi x is equal to u xi x phi of x plus summation j is equal to 1 up to n u aj x phi of x phi j xi of x. According to equation 2, that value is equal to 0. So v xi x is equal to u xi x phi of x. Hence, for each x belongs to u, f du of x u of x x is equal to f du x phi of x u x phi of x x is equal to 0. Characteristic. Derivation of characteristic ODE. The basic nonlinear first order PDE f du ux is equal to 0 in u. Now to the boundary condition u is equal to g on gamma, where gamma is subset of del u and g being function from gamma tends to r given FGR smooth function. We developed the method, the characteristic which solve equation first and 2 by converting the PDE into an appropriated symbol of ODE, ordinary differential equation. Let us suppose it is described parametrically by the function x of s is equal to x of s x square of s up to x to the power n of s, z of s is equal to z of s z square of s up to z to the power n of s, ps is equal to p of s p square of s up to p to the power n s. The parameter s laying in some subinterval of r, assuming u is an c square, solution of equation 1, we defined z to the power s is equal to u x of s and p of s is equal to du x of s. For ith element, the equation 4 pis is equal to del u upon del xi xs or u xi x of s for I is equal to 1 up to n. So z dot gives the value of u along the curve, p dot records the value of the gradient du and the function x dot in such a way that we can compute z dot and p dot. For this, we first differentiate equation 5 with respect to xj. P dot is is equal to summation j is equal to 1 to n uxi xj x of s x dot j of s, where dot is equal to d by ds. Again differentiate with respect to equation 3 with respect to xj, z dot s is equal to summation j is equal to 1 up to n del u upon del xj x of s x dot j s. We can also differentiate equation first with respect to xj. Summation of j is equal to 1 up to n del f upon del pj du ux uxj xi plus del f upon del z du ux uxi plus del f upon del xi du ux is equal to 0. But we know that xjs is equal to del f upon del pj du ux for j is equal to 1 up to n. Putting this value in equation 6. So equation 6 p dot is equal to summation j is equal to 1 up to n uxi xj x of s del f upon del pj du ux. Then substituting these value, or we can say that this value convert to p dot is. So equation 8 p dot is plus del f upon del z du ux uxi plus del f upon del xi du ux is equal to 0 for I is equal to 1 up to n. Or we can write P dot S is equal to minus del f upon del x P of s z of x x of s minus del f upon del z P of s x z of s x of s ps from equation 4, or P dot S is equal to minus dxf pzx minus dxf pzx p of s. Again from equation 3 z dot s, that value हमने पिछले में सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. अगेन सब्सटीट्यूटिंग d's वैल्यू x डॉट i x डॉट js, then z dot s is equal to summation j is equal to 1 up to n pis del f upon del pj p of s z of s x of s from equation 9. Similarly, x dot js is equal to del f upon del pj du ux, x dot s is equal to del f upon del pj or dpf p of s z of s x of s. We summarize by rewriting equation 10 to 12 in vector notation. P dot s is equal to minus dxf p of s z of s x of s minus dzf p of s z of s x of s p of s. Z dot s is equal to dpf p of s z of s x of s p of s, and x dot s is equal to dpf p of s z of s x of s. This important system of 2n plus 1 first order ODE comprises the characteristic equation of the nonlinear first order PDE of equation 1. The function p dot, z dot and x dot are called the characteristic. X dot, sometimes called projected characteristic. It is projection of full characteristic p dot, z dot, x dot, a subset of x to the r to the power 2n plus 1 onto the physical region U be a subset of r to the power n. Here dpf is equal to del f upon del p, dxf is equal to del f upon del x and dzf is equal to del f upon del z. Hamilton's ODE. Before we find Hamilton's ODE, we know that Euler-Lagrange's equation minus d by ds dql x dot s x of s plus dxl is equal to dxl x dot s xs is equal to 0 for 0 is less than or equal to s is less than or equal to t. This is a vector equation. Now convert equation first. A system of a second order ODE into Hamilton's equation, a system of 2n first order ODE, C-square function. X dot is a critical point of the action functional we get. P of s is equal to dql x dot of s xs, where 0 is less than or equal to s is less than or equal to t. P dot called the generalized momentum corresponding to the position x dot and velocity x dot. Definition: the Hamiltonian H associated with the Lagrangian L is H of Px is equal to Pq of Px minus Lagrangian of Q of Px x. Px belongs to r to the power n, where the function q dot dot is defined implicitly by equation 3. Derivation of Hamilton's ODE, ordinary differential equation. Its statement: the function x dot and p dot satisfy Hamilton's equation x dot s is equal to dph p of s x of s, p dot s p dash s, here x dash s, is equal to minus dx h p of s x of s for 0 is less than or equal to s is less than or equal to t. Furthermore, the mapping s tends to h of p of s x of s is constant. Let us consider x dot is equal to x dot x square dot x to the power n dot. P dot is equal to p dot p square dot p to the power n dot. We have x dash s is equal to q of p of s x of s. Q dot is equal to q dot up to q to the power n dot for I is equal to n. Define p of s is equal to dql x dot s xs. So h of px is equal to pq minus l of qx. H of px is equal to pq of px minus l of qpxx. We write already q dot x. Differentiate with respect to xi in equation 2. Del h upon del xi px is equal to del upon del xi pq minus l of qx, or del upon del xi pq of px minus lq pxx, or del h upon del xi px is equal to summation k is equal to 1 up to n pk del qk upon del xi px minus del l upon del qk qx del qk upon del xi px minus del l upon del xi qx. pk is equal to del l upon del qk qx, substituting this value here. So our equation become del h upon del xi px is equal to minus del l upon del xi qx. Again del h upon del pi px is equal to del upon del pi pq px minus l of q pxx, or is equal to q to the power I px plus summation k is equal to 1 up to n pk del qk upon del pi px minus del l upon del qk qx del qk upon del pi px. Again substituting the value, then becomes 0 is equal to q to the power I px. Hence del h upon del pi p of s x of s is equal to q dot p of s x of s, or from equation 4 x dot I of s, and del h upon del xi p of s x of s is equal to minus del l upon del xi q of p of s x of s comma x of s, or these value is equal to minus del l upon del xi x dot s or x of s equation. Using Euler-Lagrange's equation, minus d by ds dql x dot of s xs is equal to dxl x dot s x of s is equal to 0. Then पक्षांतर करने पर is equal to, so above equation 6 become del h upon del xi p of s x of s is equal to minus d by ds dqi l of x dot s x of s, or minus d by ds del l upon del qi x dot s x of s, or equation first d by ds pi s, or d by ds, that is minus p dot I of s. Finally, we observe that d by ds h of ps xs is equal to, we can write this summation I is equal to 1 up to n del h upon del pi upon del s plus del h upon del xi upon del s. Here del pi upon del s and del xi upon del s, p dot I x dot I, and p dot I is equal to minus del h upon del xi, x dot I is equal to minus del h upon del pi. Substituting these value, plus minus value and plus value is equal to 0. Hence the mapping as Bn tends to h of p of s x of s is constant. Now we discuss Legendre transform. Suppose the Lagrangian L be a function from R to the power n to R satisfy these conditions. The mapping Q tends to L of Q is convex. Limit L of Q upon mod of Q tends to infinity. The convexity implies L is continuous So the Legendre transform of L is L star of P is equal to supremum Q belongs to R to the power N P dot Q minus L of Q, P belongs to R to the power N. For some Q star belongs to R to the power N, for which L star P is equal to P dot Q star minus L Q star, and mapping Q tends to PQ minus L of Q has a maximum at Q is equal to Q star, but P is equal to dLQ star provided L is differentiable at Q star. Hence, P is equal to dLQ is soluble for Q in terms of PQ star is equal to Q of P. Therefore, L star P is equal to P dot Q of P minus L of Q of P. The Hamiltonian H associated with L, we consequently write H is equal to L star. Thank you.